How to fix Plum app not connecting to bank. So in here, the very first thing that you need to do is simply you can open your Plum application, and then from here you'd need to get into the account settings and then select your bank and tap to reconnect your bank, right? So after doing that here, if it's still not working, then ensure your bank's mobile app is installed and updated on your same phone. So you can get that done through your app store, get to your app store and you can update it, right? So after doing all of these, if it's still not working, then you can try to disconnect and relink. What you're going to do is simply unlink the bank account inside Plum, and then clear off the app cache and then link it again via open banking. So in order to do that, you can get to the settings of your phone, scroll down a bit, tap on general, and then from here tap on iPhone storage. From here you can simply search for Plum, and when you find that, tap on that one, and then you'll be able to see offload app. Tap on it and then tap on offload app one more time. Within a few seconds your application will be offloaded. In order to reinstall it, you can tap on reinstall app, and like that you'll be able to clear all of the cache of the application. And after doing all of this, I'm pretty sure you'll be able to fix your Plum app not connecting to bank. So if you guys do have any further queries, then please let me know in the comment section down below.